and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can turn your favorite Spotify artists into a music festival lineup using Festify. So log in with Spotify, and I'm just going to select agree. Then once you're done, you're just going to click on a time frame. I'm just going to select all time. And this is apparently my Festify lineup. There's Taylor Swift, Logan Henderson, Sleeping Out Last, Sleeping with Sirens, and Disney Peaceful Piano. And you can just see how random how random the songs I listen to is. And you're just going to select download, and that is pretty much it for this video. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!